So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another live stream. And before we start, let's talk about the overall markets, okay? Today will be all about which of the three top space stocks are interesting for me and which you can consider as well. We will talk about Astra, we will talk about Virgin Orbit, we will talk about Virgin Galactic, okay? And we'll compare them all. I know this is a topic that many people wanted to know about, so that's why we will talk about it. Okay, so first things first, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Put it into the live chat. Let me know in the comments also below the video. And I want to first dive into the market because people said, oh Danny, you're not right, the market will go up from here. Oh yeah, really? We are now 2% down on the S&P 500, okay? Not only the Fed news, but political situations are dragging the S&P 500 down. So we are seeing a big sell-off here. Gold is going up. Nasdaq minus 3%. Dow minus 1.5%. And I really see the S&P 500 also minus down percent closing today for sure. I mean, this will be a perfectly red bear market move. Okay, so I said it many times before. If you are not listening, you are actually, not really, understanding what's going on the market. The market still is in a situation where it's very fragile, okay? Guys, I see there's some comments about the title. What about the title? What's the title of this episode? Anyway, we will talk about the three space companies, okay? So, by the way, what Virgin Galactic is doing at this moment, let's have a look. Under the circumstances also it should go down, minus 5% as of now. So quite hard sell off here for Virgin Galactic. For all of the, I think Tesla should be also heavily down. Let's have a look, also 5.5%. so so you can see a big kind of sell off here into the markets. By the way, let's start. Okay, I want to start with the company called Astra. Okay, Astra is a company that is sending asteroids. Yeah, sure. They're sending asteroids into space for sure. Yes, Danny. I think you're ready for the weekend. So they are sending rockets into the orbit and and putting satellites up. And it sounds all promising for the company. However, though, unfortunately, they are sold off quite heavily. Not only today, but look at the performance here. Since about 10th of February, is big sell-off. Also 7th of February, a big sell-off. Because there was a launch, or they wanted to launch, but unfortunately, they failed to deliver, okay? So here's the article. Astra Space fails to deliver satellites to orbit in first operational launch. And obviously, this is very bad, right? If you are a space company and you try to do something and the first launch, and it's not like with Virgin Galactic where you just come back to Earth, you're actually losing the satellites for your clients that are sometimes worth millions and millions of dollars. Obviously, there's kind of insurance, yes, but you can imagine how hard this is. All the months and months of work for a satellite, and then it just vaporizing, okay? And that's why it fell 32% in trading on Nasdaq, which is quite bad, because we want to have the space industry being successful. Okay, so it doesn't matter how it is competitive to space. But Astra is something that is seemingly still in kind of baby shoes, and this is not great. Okay, so hopefully they can fix it and then they can have another launch. But I'm not so much big fan of Astra. I mean, Astra still have so much to prove. Market cap of around $843 million, so quite small compared to the others. Yeah, that's about Astra. I think like they still have a lot of proof. They after this big failure, they have to do a lot of engineering to fix their issues. But then hopefully, I like the slogan here: "Improve life on Earth from space." And they are proclaimed that their offers are the lowest cost per launch dedicated orbital launch service of any operational launch provider in the world. Okay, so it's quite promising, but yeah, they need to make a lot of improvements, and then they can at some point be a competition. And we will see a lot of people now sending asteroids. Why I'm keeping saying asteroids? I think it's the name Astra is giving me a hard time. So sending satellites up there will be a big business for many different companies. And speaking about that, there's a company that took a totally different approach, and this is this company, Virgin Orbit, right? Putting a rocket attached to a Boeing and then flying it on a certain parameters and then dropping the rocket and let the satellites fly, which is a genius idea because it saves a lot of power, because 95% or some ridiculous high number is actually needed to bring kind of trust to bring the rocket up from Earth, because the gravity of Earth is quite strong, and that's why this is actually quite interesting. Okay, so it was once a company that was connected with Virgin Galactic. So Virgin Galactic had this department and the space travel department, but now they are basically separated, and are an own entity. Okay, and other than other companies, they had already 2 successful launches, which is great and proving of their technology, which is fantastic. But also here, because it's a quite new company to the market and so on, at those days where the stock index is going down 2%, you will see that Virgin Virgin Orbit is losing also 10%. Obviously, market cap of 2.4 billion. And recently, obviously, due to the news of Astra, they gained a little bit of I think they gained like 10% or something. Okay, they went from $7.27 to $8, so 10% I think gain that they now are losing, obviously. But this is because the competition Astra is not well in terms of engineering, that they could solve the problem. So unfortunately, not so great for Astra, better for Virgin Orbit. I'm still making a little bit more research about the company. I want to know all the structure and so on. But then I will definitely, talk about this company a little bit more. I know that people are interested into that. I will look into the pricing to launch, if available, and so on and so forth. So make sure to stay tuned, because I will be talking about this very soon. And I'm actually thinking about also to invest into this company. So stay very tuned on this one. There will be definitely an update soon. I really like to see if you are interested. Let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you're interested to more videos about Virgin Orbit. Then let's come to our favorite stock. Yeah, Virgin Galactic, compared to the other companies, is having a big operation, as one of the bigger ones out there. Now with the $8.45, the market cap is just 2.1, so it's smaller by market cap than Virgin Orbit. Just to think about that, okay? And I think that, let me see if we get some financials here real quick. So they had some revenue apparently in 2020. So this is quite interesting. Obviously, it's still growing, and the cost of revenue was quite high. But let's have a look into the balance sheet. I don't think they will have so much money that okay. Yeah, so they don't have so much cash like Virgin Galactic, okay? And the cash flow is also negative. So yeah, it's still a very, very big growth name here, Virgin Orbit. The big difference, guys, here versus Virgin Galactic is Virgin Galactic has so much cash power that it's putting every other company to really, not even talking about so much cash, okay? I mean, basically, Virgin Galactic has so much cash, guys, they could buy 2 Astra companies, okay? So it's basically insane how much cash Virgin Galactic has and will have over the next couple of years. So I'm really excited about Virgin Galactic, as you know. So in my personal opinion, Virgin Galactic number 1. Virgin Orbit is such an interesting, concept, and Astra is nothing for me at this moment in time. Okay, so that's my categorization. I will make more about that if you like. So I wanted to test it today. Let me know in the comments below and into the live stream if you like those. Make sure to give me a thumb up if you like it as well, and make sure, guys, to follow me on Instagram, okay? Wolf of Dubai Danny, and I'm really looking forward to speak with you guys on that, and you can send me messages on Instagram as well, which is quite interesting. So yeah, let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and have the best weekend that you ever had. Take care, and have a really enjoyable Saturday and Sunday.